mind is without fear, the head is held high. Into that freedom, my father, let my country awake. Behold the new India as it wakes up to light and freedom and proudly ushers into its 75th Independence Day. A very warm welcome to one and all to this glorious day as we celebrate the emergence of a great nation that leads by example and is a force to reckon with. Let us celebrate this dawn as our motherland rises from her ashes and proves to the world that it is second to none when it comes to any competition. Let us together hail the Vishwaguru as it stands tall and optimistic in its fight against the crippling pandemic and enlightens the world. Let us humbly stand in reverence to pay our homage to all the martyrs who shed their own blood to let our tricolour flutter in the skies. My dear friends, when the Indians chose saffron for sacrifice, green for prosperity, humanity chose white for unity, and our tricolour with a chakra derived its meaning. Esteemed guests, benevolent teachers, and my fellow friends, let us unite in spirits and thoughts and come together to unfurl our national flag, our very own Vijay Vishwa Tiranga Pyara.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे गावे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे
I, Akshat Kampasi from Prudence School, Dwarka 22, deem it a great honor to acknowledge the presence of our Reverend Chairman, Dr. G.S. Matharu, sir. Our Chairman, sir, has challenged conventional wisdom to pioneer dynamic and far-reaching changes through a determined focus on the holistic development of each student. To educate, innovate, and create is precisely how he explains his vision. Our respected sir believes that a person's determination is the right ammunition to become a winner. He keeps the candle of hope and positivity burning amongst all of us. We at Prudence School are fortunate to have been led by such a glorifying and stimulating leader. On this propitious occasion of Independence Day, I feel extremely privileged to invite our Honorable Chairman Sir to address the students with his words of wisdom. Please welcome Sir with a huge round of virtual applause.
My dear children, greetings and heartiest congratulations to all of you on the auspicious occasion of our Independence Day. A famous quote says, "No sacrifice can be higher than the sacrifice we make for our motherland." It is the most auspicious day for us because India became independent after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. On the 75th Indian independence celebration, as free citizens, let us pay our sincere tribute unitedly to those who sacrificed themselves so that we as Indians lead a liberated, respectable, wonderful life in a free nation. Our great leaders and millions of common men and women fought a long-drawn torturous battle, bore so much pain and misery, untold sacrifices, shed blood to win for this freedom. It was just hope and aspirations that kept them going. Therefore, when it was achieved, it was a big moment and a glorious day. Hence, on this auspicious day, let me wish all of us a very happy Independence Day, a historic day for our country when we became a free, sovereign nation. It is a proud privilege to be part of independent India. India chose the path of democracy for its people and adopted a constitution which guarantees fundamental right to the citizens. Now, so many decades down the line, we have so many reasons to stand tall and proud. We see achievements in almost every sphere, be it in the field of science and technology, space and missile technology, medical, research, education, agriculture, and so on. We are ever growing higher and stronger. The great discoveries and inventions our ancestors made and contributed to the world have been special and unique, from the concept of zero to Ayurveda to yoga, to the latest contribution made by our scientists, vaccine for COVID-19. Our scientists emerged successful, speeding up the whole process, working in tandem with utmost sincerity and dedication. We have endless reasons to hold our heads high. India has successfully administered more than 50 crores COVID vaccination to its population. Indian doctors, scientists and engineers, IITians and IIMs are doing excellent jobs in the country and in a great demand all over the world. Indian broadband companies proved to be such a sport, enabling for the entire population work from home during the COVID lockdown situation. In this Tokyo Olympics, our youngsters added bright new feathers to our cap by winning proud medals for the country. Neeraj Chopra topped it all by winning the gold medal for the nation. Today, our country has earned a place, respect in the global world. Indians have gained a self-esteem. It is for younger generation to come up with new ideas for further advancement and progress of the country in different spheres by dint of hard work and sincerity. Mahatma Gandhi said, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." Dear children, teachers, parents, and all those associated with prudence, we need to understand that strength comes when you stand your ground unitedly in the face of massive difficulties. The size of your biceps doesn't matter. What really matters is size of your will. If we think of fear and failure, we will reflect the same in our lives. Let us think great, read great books, talk to strong-minded people, and keep the will to succeed. The future depends on what you do today. You create your own destiny. Be mindful of your actions. What is really needed to make democracy function is not just knowledge of facts, but right type of education. Draw out the best of your body, mind, and spirit. The future depends on what we do in the present. You should strive all resolve to take the nation to further greater heights in all the spheres of life by sincerity of purpose, devotion, original thinking, and innovative ideas. Jai Hind.
Truly
leaders don't create followers, they create more leaders. On this note, I, Nishka Naran, take this privilege to express heartfelt gratitude to our revered chairman, Sir Dr. G.S. Matharu, an eminent visionary for his indispensable presence. Sir, your words of wisdom are motivating enough to make us realize our duties. Your resonated addressal left us all spellbound. Thank you for making us understand that patriotism is just not only remembering our unsung heroes who sacrificed their lives for the dignity and freedom of the country, but patriotism is also a willingness to contribute to the welfare and pride of the nation. We understood that patriotism is not only about feeling the sense of pride in our nation's heritage, but patriotism is also to preserve and contribute towards the sustainable development. We learned that patriotism is not only cheering together for our Olympic heroes, but it is also about taking accountability of our own actions by practicing righteousness and perseverance. Thank you, sir, for giving us a vision to be a responsible citizen of our country. Every year, we pay tribute to the patriots who gave us the reason to celebrate this day. There couldn't be a better way than a dance performance to express our love for our country. Let's all together celebrate our independence and sovereignty. Thank you.
ਪਿੰਡ ਸੁਣੀਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਓਏ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਪਿੰਡ ਸੁਣੀਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਓਏ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਓ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਹੀ ਜਾਣਾ ਯਾਰਾ ਕਦੇ ਨਾ ਹਾਰਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਟਿਮ ਟਿਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਟਿਮ ਟਿਮ ਕਰਦਾ ਤਾਰਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਓ ਛੱਡ ਨਫ਼ਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਯਾਰਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਏ ਮੇਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਵੱਜਦਾ ਓ ਪਿਆਰ ਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਹਾਰਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਏ ਮੇਰਾ ਢੋਲ ਵੱਜਦਾ
प्यार तू सबनू कर लेना हाथ बढ़ा के फड़ लेना गले से लगा ले दोबारा
सब सांसें जब एक हवा से भर जाए तक 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 आसमां जहां भी एक सा पाए
प्यार तू सबनू कर लेना हाथ बढ़ा के फड़ लेना प्यार तू सबनू कर लेना हाथ बढ़ा के फड़ लेना
गले से लगा ले दोबारा
heartfelt gratitude to all the presenters from Dwarka 16B branch. It was indeed a beautiful amalgamation of intense emotions and sacrifices, how our brave soldiers sacrificed their lives for our nation's pride. What an astounding dance performance. Let us hear a huge round of virtual claps. Paying a tribute to the Indian spirit, tradition, culture and value systems which help us rekindle our pride in representing ourselves as citizens of a great nation. I, Sarisha Madan from Prudence Dwarka 22, feel extremely delighted to welcome the upcoming spectacular performance which tells us the stories of our nation's pride and awaken the youth of the nation that will touch you all to the cores of your hearts. Presenting before you all are the students from Dwarka 22 branch who are here to fill the charisma in the aura with their melodious voices through a choir performance. Let us welcome them with a huge round of virtual applause.
है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान याद जान का उड़ान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान याद जान का उड़ान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड शक्तिमान है मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है कृष्ण की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है कौरवों के वीर हो या पांडवों का नीर हो जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है कृष्ण की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोके ठोके मार दो मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो आरंभ है प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो आन बान शान याद जान का उदान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो आरंभ है प्रचंड
Now, that was a stupendous performance, my friends. It has drenched us all in the vibrant colors of patriotism. I take immense pride to be a citizen of this great nation. On this glorious day of our 75th independence, we proudly cheer for the emergence of a new India envisioned by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Let us uphold and applaud every effort made by our doctors, scientists and each selfless Indian that ensures that India shines on the horizon of the world. I now welcome students of Prudence School, Ashok Vihar for a zealous performance to render us a glimpse of India that is proactive and powerful, imaginative and creative, energetic and enabling, transparent and tech efficient. Jai Ho!
15 अगस्त 1947 देश आज़ाद हुआ। ब्रिटिश हुकूमत को बाहर निकाल दिया गया, लेकिन ये सब अब इतिहास बन चुका है। हम बार बार क्यों इतिहास की बात करें, आज क्यों ना आज की बात करें। यह आज जो सुनहरा है, यह आज जो हकीकत है, यह आज जो हमें सिखाता है कि मुश्किल कितनी भी बड़ी क्यों ना हो, हम मिलकर उसका सामना कर सकते हैं। यह आज जो हमें आकाश की ऊंचाइयों पर ले गया है, यह आज जिसने देश का नाम रोशन किया है।
Neeraj Chopra, India's star javelin thrower, has ended India's gold medal drought in Tokyo Olympics 2020. He has stripped history with a throw of 87.58 meters. India has won a gold medal in Olympics after 2008. Sportsperson from the country, back-to-back medals at the Tokyo Olympics 2020.
और सिर्फ ओलंपिक्स ही नहीं, आज भारत का नाम चांद सितारों पर भी अंकित है। और यह सिर्फ बोलने के लिए नहीं है, इस सपने को हकीकत बनाया है इसरो ने, यानी इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने, जिसने अपनी पहली ही कोशिश में मार्स के ऑर्बिट में मंगलयान पहुंचा दिया था। इंडिया इज़ द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू डू सो इन इट्स मेडन अटेम्प्ट, और यह सिर्फ शुरुआत है। सितारों के आगे मंजिल और भी है।
हमारी इस एक घटना की वजह से इंडिया का स्पेस प्रोग्राम पूरे 5 साल पीछे चला गया है।
लेकिन आज हम आज़ादी की बात करें तो यह आज़ादी हमें किसी विदेशी जुल्म से नहीं, एक ऐसी बीमारी से लेनी है जिसने पिछले 2 साल में दुनिया की तस्वीर ही बदल दी है। कोरोना वायरस या कोविड-19। इस त्रासदी ने जहां हमें दिखाया कि कैसे एक छोटा सा वायरस सबको झंझोड़ सकता है, वहीं इसने हमें सिखाया कि हम एक साथ होकर मिलकर संघर्ष करें तो कोई मुकाम बड़ा नहीं। आज हमें गर्व होना चाहिए हमारे देश के फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स पर। हम सबके लिए वे अपना जीवन दांव पर लगा रहे हैं। आइए नमन करें देशभक्ति के इस जज्बे को।
फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियां, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे। फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा 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 इंडिया।
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। इन पंक्तियों को याद करते हुए प्रण लें कि देश की सेवा करने से कभी पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। जय हिंद।
जगाए अपने दिलों में सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली। क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहां पे हम, शर्मीले खेतों को ढकने चूनर पीली पीली। घूंघट में रंग पनघट में रंग चम चम चमकीला। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
A thoughtful mind, when it sees a nation's flag, sees not the flag, but the nation itself. On this auspicious occasion, my heart swells with pride. Propose the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire Prudence team. A heartfelt gratitude is extended to respected Chairman Sir for his benign presence. It is my immense pleasure to thank all the mentors for their expert and able guidance in making this event a success. Last but not the least, kudos to all the fellow mates who contributed to the sense of Independence Day. It is for us to remember that change will not come if we wait for some other person or some other time. We are the ones we have been waiting for. We are the change that we see. Our flag does not flutter with the wind. It flutters with the last breath of each soldier who died protecting it. लिपटकर बदन से कई तिरंगे आज भी आते हैं। यूं ही नहीं दोस्तों, हम आजादी मनाते हैं। जय हिंद।